Okay, this is gonna be a very short review for the chapter 7. There were 4 lessons. We talked about ratios, right? Over here. So look at the picture. Number 1, ratios of number of red caps to the number of black caps, right? You just calculate your units. There are 5 units, 2 caps each. There are 3 units, 2 caps each. So red to black, right? Red 5 units, black 3. Other way around, black to red is 3 to 5. Find the missing numbers, right? Okay, these are 5 units, these are 4 units. So these are 5 units, these are 4 units. A to B, these are 3 units, these are 7 units. So 3 to 7. Number 3, each ratio in the simplest form, right? 9 to 6. How can we simplify this? We can divide everything by 3, right? And it's going to be 3 to 2. 8 to 20 to 16. How can we simplify this? We can divide each number by 4. It's going to be 2 to 5 to 4. Okay? Last one, find the missing number. Okay. So 7 becomes 21, 8 becomes we don't know, right? So in order for 7 to convert it, right, to 21, we just multiply it by 3, times 3, right? 3 is the common factor. 7 times 3 becomes 21, okay? So 8 times 3 becomes 24, right? You do this everywhere in this problem, and I'm just gonna give you the answer. 6, 15, 35, 8, 11. Okay, next page. Okay, if you do this with the book, you do this with the book. But if you watch the video, pause the video, solve all these problems yourself. This is a review chapter, all the problems are very easy. And over here, do the workbook A and math journal and everything. And after 1 second, I'll give you the solution. Okay, so chapter wrap up, right? We talked about the ratios in this chapter. The big idea over here is 2 or more quantities can be compared with each other, right, by division, and the comparison expressed as a ratio. Ratio is a quantitative relationship between the numbers, right? So ratio over here, we can compare numbers or quantities, right? How? Like we can compare 2 or 3 quantities. In fact, we can compare as many as we want, as long as we understand the concept, right? And ratio may not give the actual quantities compared. All right. Well, we got this part. And a ratio has no units. A ratio has no units. Okay. So if you like, I don't know, 5 kilogram and 10 kilogram, right? The ratio will be 5 to 10 without any kilogram. And then you can simplify this, divide everything by 5, and it's going to be 1 to 2. This is the actual ratio, right? Sorry. Okay? Now, equivalent ratios over here. Multiply by a common factor to find equivalent ratios. This is what we learn to do. If we have a ratio of 1 to 3, we can transform it by multiplying both sides by 3, and we will get equivalent ratio of 3 to 9. Okay. Next, we can do the same thing not only by multiplication, we can do it by division too, right? Finding the common factor. So if we have a ratio 10 to 8, right? We can divide both parts, we can simplify it. We simplify it, and in the simplest form, it will be 5 to 4. So again, simplest form is the whole numbers, right? No fractions. And then we use these concepts to solve our word problems. Very easy idea. Okay, here are some challenging problems. Put on your thinking cap. Try to do it yourself, and I'm gonna give you answers in just 1 second. Pause the video, do it yourself. Okay, and the answers? Alright, so here are the answers. Check yourself. If you have a question, drop a comment, and don't forget to do your workbook. Alright, chapter 7, pupil's book is over. Congratulations.